Okay, my people, this na man on the street day here, and I dey inside Pigeon News Network. And when I don't forget, now the only Ogbonge station where they give a news as they come and as they go. And this story what they bring for now, you know, different from other story what they bring. You know, this lockdown don't make us see so many things, and we don't expose us to so many things. This story now two gathering now they here. One now social enjoyment gathering, and another one now social financial gathering. The social enjoyment gathering, this one Mopo enter there, flock everybody, say me they lie down. Flock typhoid, malaria, fever, headache come up for people body. Now only one sister they no flock. As the Mopo one flog and I see her stretch mark. The stretch mark be like wire with the wire fall flat. Now I say sister, it be like say I don't plug you people. Now only her say. But this other gathering they happen for area 3 for Gerki Abuja. When people there for GT Bank won't collect money, they need like times 3 of the people there that bar when Mopo they flog. They gun body, join body, they won't collect money, and yet even say I won't hear say Mopo they guide themselves as they won't collect their money. My people, this one are true. Now they say now a world with two sides. My people, if you call them say a world with two different stories, now they see so. My people, I beg, we could take them easy, and they Mopo them. I beg want to take things easy, small, because of this lockdown matter. Maybe clear eye people want to enjoy themselves. They suffer and they stay home safe. Now another sickness for the matter. This na Pigeon News Network, and a man on the streets with this.